In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in DocHub. We'll start from the DocHub dashboard, which is the main area where you manage and create documents. Once you're there, look for the New Document button and click it. This is what begins the process of turning a regular file into a fillable form. Next, click Select Files. From here, upload the document you want to use and then open it inside DocHub. This could be a form template, an agreement, or any PDF that needs fillable fields added to it. Make sure you choose the correct file before moving on, since all of your fields will be placed directly onto this document. Once your file is open, go to the Manage Fields option. This section is where DocHub gives you the tools needed to build interactive form elements. If you're creating a form for other people to complete, this is the area you'll spend the most time in. To add a basic entry field, click Text. This creates a text field tool that you can place anywhere on the page. After selecting it, drag and drop it into the text area where you want someone to type information. Try to line it up carefully with the document layout so the form looks clean and easy to complete. Taking a moment to place fields neatly can make a big difference in how professional the final form feels. You can also add a date field if your document needs one. Just click the Date tool, then drag and drop it into the Date area on the page. This is especially useful for forms that need signatures, application dates, or submission dates because it helps guide the person filling out the form to enter the right type of information in the right place. And that's the basic process for creating forms in DocHub. Once your fields are in place, your document is much easier for others to fill out accurately and efficiently,